Hey there, and welcome to this beautiful journey into the world of AI creativity. Today, I'm about to show you something that honestly feels like magic. And once you see it, you'll know exactly what I mean. We're diving into a tool that gives you, yes, you, completely free access to some truly mind-blowing features. Hyper-realistic AI images, cinematic, AI-generated videos, still images into animated video clips, converting written stories or prompts into dynamic video scenes, and even creating AI avatars that talk, blink, and lip-sync using your own voice or text. This incredible tool is called Dreamina AI. And the best part? It's absolutely free to use. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, no gimmicks. Just pure, unlocked creativity at your fingertips. So, are you ready to explore? Let's begin together. Let's start with the foundation. Images. Images are the core of any great visual story. Begin by heading to the Dreamina website. You'll notice right away that the interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. You don't need any prior experience, just your ideas. Click on the Image Generator R section. Now, to make something unique and inspiring, we need a story or a concept. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story. For example, a small rabbit and a 12-year-old boy go on an adventure through a magical forest. It doesn't have to be long, just something simple and imaginative. Once your story is ready, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 image prompts based on that story. These prompts will serve as the visual moments in your scene. Now, pick your favorite one and copy it. Head back to Dreamina and paste that prompt into the image generator. You can even write up to 1,000 words in the prompt field. So go wild with details. The more descriptive you are, the better your image will turn out. Optionally, you can upload a reference image, which helps Dreamina keep your character designs consistent if you're generating a series of images. Next, select the Image 3.0 model. This model produces the highest quality visuals. Choose your desired aspect ratio. If you're making short-form content like Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, use the 9:16 vertical format. Now, click Generate. And within seconds, Dreamina will create a high-resolution image tailored to your prompt. You'll be amazed at how good it looks. Consistency is key when telling a visual story. Let's say your story has the same boy and rabbit in multiple scenes. You'll want them to look the same across every image. To do that, copy your next image prompt, paste it into the image generator, upload the first image you created as a reference. Under Consistency, Settings, choose Character. Click Generate. Again. This ensures that your characters retain the same look and feel throughout, like a real storybook coming to life, one scene at a time. Now, let's animate those images. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write short video prompts based on each image scene you've created. Copy one of those prompts. In Dreamina, go to the Video Generator, and this time choose the Image Prompt Touch option. Upload your generated image, paste your video prompt, and once again select the Video 3.0 model for top-tier results. Set your video duration. Up to 10 seconds is supported for now. Hit Generate, and in under 60 seconds, your AI-generated animation will be ready. You'll see subtle movements, cinematic camera effects, and dynamic lighting. It almost feels like a scene from an animated film. What if you don't want to start with an image? Well, Dreamina lets you skip straight to video, just by typing. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT and type a simple idea. Something like, a tiny bunny and a 10-year-old boy are walking through a foggy forest at sunrise. Copy that prompt. In Dreamina, head to the video generator and choose Text Prompt. This time, paste your prompt, pick the Video 3.0 model. Choose duration and aspect ratio, and click Generate. And in just a few moments, Dreamina will turn your words into a cinematic short video. It's one of the most powerful features, because now, even if you can't draw or design, you can still direct entire visual scenes using only your imagination. And now for the coolest part. AI avatars that talk. Yes, really. Go to the Avatar section inside Dreamina. Upload a photo. This could be your character, your digital persona, or even just a placeholder face. Now you have two options. type a script, and Dreamina will generate the voice plus lip sync, or upload a voice recording, and the avatar will sync its lips and body movement to match. Choose your preferred voice model. And hit Generate. In just a few minutes, your avatar will be speaking and moving, just like a real human. The mouth moves with accuracy, the eyes blink, the head tilts. It's surprisingly lifelike. This feature is amazing for creators, educators, storytellers, or anyone wanting to add a personal touch to their content without being on camera. And the most beautiful part? You did all this completely for free. No premium plans, no credit cards, no watermarks. Just creativity, reimagined.
If this helped you or inspired you in any way, I'd love it if you gave this video a like, left a comment, or subscribed to the channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. You never know what new AI tool I'll share next, and I always make sure it's easy, powerful, and free. Until then, keep imagining, keep experimenting, and most of all, stay creative. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.